Welcome back to LEDs for Dummies, where we will be showing you how to use LED strip light connectors. Here's the LED strip light that we used in our previous video. As you can see here by the copper dots that we have cut points. As you can see, we actually have cut points every 3 LEDs on this strip light. So what we're going to go and do here now is we're going to grab our scissors and we're going to line it up with our cut points. You'll see there's a little scissor mark in the middle, and we're just going to cut it over here. Then we have 2 halves of our strip light. Now that our strip light is cut, what we're going to do is we're just going to take a screwdriver and scratch the points so we have fresh copper underneath. We'll do this to both of them just before we use our connectors. The first connector we have here is called a one-sided connector. You'll see that the strip light will slide into this connector here. You have 100 mil of cable so that you can connect to your transformers. So what we're going to do here now is you see there's a little groove over here. We're going to take our strip light, you'll match up the positive and the negative, slip it into the connector, and then all you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to clip it closed. This connector's got 2 sides. You've got a side over here and a side over here. So this is a 2-sided connector with 100 mil of cable. So what you're going to do, pop it open. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to take our strip light. We're going to slip it in under the points. Again, we're going to clip it closed. So we're going to repeat this process on this side as well. So again, what we're going to do, we're going to clip it open. We're going to take our strip light. We're going to slip it in under the grooves and clip it closed. Once we're all connected, you will see now we've got 100 mil of cable in between, so if we want to go around a corner, we can. This is a no wire connector, so we're going to pop it open. You'll see there's 4 little points on the inside here, so we can slip our strip lights in both sides without any cable. So you see we've got a groove here now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our strip light and we're going to slip it in underneath this groove over here, making sure that it's secure under the points. And then what we're going to do is we have another piece of strip light. So we'll take this strip light and do exactly the same thing, slipping it in under the groove, just like that. Once it's all in, snap them closed, making sure they're nice and tight, and you see now everything is now secure. In the final step of this video, we will be showing you now how to stick the strip light down. So pretend that this is an under-counter light. Make sure that the surface is clean of any debris and dust. Peel back the adhesive covering, making sure that you position your strip light correctly, and all you're going to do is push down gently, making sure that the strip light is sticking down to your surface. Once stuck down, gently rub the strip light to make sure everything is stuck down nicely, and then slowly but surely peel off the covering and slowly go ahead and make sure that everything is down nice and neatly. Thank you for watching our video. Please stay tuned for episode 4 of LEDs for Dummies, where we will be showing you how to connect multicolor RGB LED strip lights.